What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the world of Karatbars KBC KCB, hard forking, the whole world of crypto technology. It is the future. This is your boy Kenneth Thomas, new to Karatbars. Talking with you a little bit about, really briefly, showing you how to sign up for Karatbars to become an affiliate and get in on the money-making opportunity, as well as being able to acquire 24 karat gold and get cryptocurrency and all that. Okay, so I'm just kind of starting from the beginning with you all. And I guess we can go ahead and get started. But, pretty much what you want to do is you want to go to your address bar. Your address bar is up here in the top, not your Google search, but your address bar. And you want to type in 24K GoldRush.com. That's www.24kgoldrush.com. Okay, and when you do that, it's going to bring you to let's see what it's going to bring you to. It's going to bring you to a site that looks like this. Okay, and once you get to the site, if you're on your phone, what you're going to see is this. And then what you do is you just scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see that link. And then, of course, when you click on register for free, it'll bring you to a page like this. Become an affiliate or become a customer. If you're just interested in purchasing gold or acquiring gold, click here, become a customer. But you don't really want to do that. You want to register as an affiliate, become an affiliate, because through your affiliate account you can do the same thing. You can buy gold, acquire 24 karat gold, but you also get in on the business side of things where you can generate revenue, extra revenue, or just revenue period. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on become an affiliate. Okay, and then once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. You just fill out that information there, and then you scroll down a little bit, or if you need to, and then you'll click on next, and it's going to take you to another page. And you just fill out your information on that page and make sure your U's and your V's are correct. Your V's are very, very sharp at the bottom. Your U's are kind of curvy, but they kind of both look like V's. Then, of course, you got your O's and your zeros. Zeros are long and O's are oval shape, or more circular looking. Your I's and your J's, just make sure you get your letters right. And then you sign up, and then it's going to say successful sign up or congratulations. Check your email. What you want to do is make sure that when you check your email, if it's not in your inbox, be sure to check your spam box or your junk folder, because a lot of times your mail is going to go in, your verification mail is going to go in your junk box or your spam folder, and that's where you're going to find it at. And you need to click on that link in that verification email to verify your sign up. Okay, and then once you sign up, the important things to know once you become a member of Karatbars is that you also want to go to Karatbit. You see that? You want to go to Karatbit. That's Karatbit, and you want to sign up there, because if you don't know, it's not in the back office where you can just clearly see it or find it. It's not an obvious link that you can click on. So you want to go to Karatbit also and sign up, because that's the exchange for the KBC KCB crypto coin. They have their own exchange. crypto exchange, and it's Karatbit. So you want to make sure you sign up on this website as well. Okay, and you got to go through your process. Your process once you sign up and become a member. That's not it. You have to actually do more, because you have to verify yourself and who you are. And in order to do that, if you can see here, you see something there that says KYC, and you have to do each one of these steps, the bronze step. Okay, and once you do the bronze step, it's going to say, it's going to take a little time, maybe a few minutes or so, I don't know, and it's going to say, okay, status verified, and then you have to go to the silver. And you got to do them in steps. You got to do this one first, and then you got to do this one. And once you do this, it'll say successful. And then you do your gold, and then you do your platinum. You fill out your platinum. And then, of course, it'll verify you. And, of course, you do your testament verification. And you have to do them one by one, okay? It's one step after it. You have to do them in steps. 1, 2, 3, platinum, and testament. And then once you get approved through all of these and everything is approved, then you'll be able to go back into your wallet, and you can see all of your crypto coins and do all of your exchanging. But you have to go and also sign up with Karatbit, because you're going to need Karatbit, because that's where your cryptocurrency is going to be stored and exchanged, and you'll be able to do all the good things you need to do with your crypto coins. So remember, once you sign up at www.24kgoldrush.com, and you're in there, make sure you go to Karatbit and sign up in the Karatbit. Okay, sign up with Karatbit. Okay, so those are two sites that you got to sign up with. This is what the Karatbit back office look like. The exchange back office looks like. You have all your different coins and your different crypto stuff, and then you got your market where you can go in and this is where you do your exchanging as well. You can click on one of these, and down at the bottom, that's where you can do your exchanging. Or you can go to your dashboard to see what you purchased and exchange different coins within this little category right here. That's your Karatbit. Now let's go back to your Karatbars. Once you've logged in, signed up at www.24kgoldrush.com, you will go back to the website, and then you will log in. And once you log in, the very, very important place to start is you want to click on general. You want to click on the general tab, and then when you click on the general tab, you want to go to dashboard. Okay, and then once you click on dashboard, it's going to bring you to this page, a page that looks like this. Okay, and what you want to do is to get in the game, to make money, to generate revenue. It's a real simple concept. Wash, rinse, and repeat. Everybody who gets in, if they just follow these 5 steps, we can all generate some real income going into 2020. It's just that simple. Follow step 1 through 5. In that order. Follow step 1 through 5. And of course, if you want to watch the video explaining how this whole thing works before you start with the step, you can click on the video here. You can click on the little play button right there. You can click on the little play button before you get started. Watch the video, and then once you watch the video, you click on step 1, and then you can get your different types of packages. Me personally, I purchased the profit package because you get more with the profit package. Or if you want your goal, if you want to get your goal in your hand, then you want to get the physical package, because they'll send you the physical package to your mail. The profit package is a digital package. Everything is digital. You get everything in your back office. You get your cards. digitally. Your profit cards, they're digital, and they're stored in your dashboard back here. This is what you call the dashboard. It's stored in your dashboard, and then you can look at your My Gold and your bonus codes and all that stuff, and you'll see your bonus codes here. That's the digital package. Man, they blowing me up. They blowing me up. I got 2 phones going off right now. That's the digital package. Everything is in your back office. The physical package, you get all the stuff physically. You get your cash gold physically. You get your flyers and brochures, your flyers and brochures, and your profit cards physically in your hand, sent to you via mail in a nice pretty little box. So the choice is yours how you want to get it. If you want to get it physically in your hand so you can hold it and show it and let people feel it, then you want the I have to take calls later. But anyway, if you want the physical package where you can hold it and feel it and all that good old stuff, then, you buy the physical package. If you want the coins, you want more coins, then you do your profit package, because it'll give you more because you're not actually paying for the hard stuff. So to replace the hard stuff, they're giving you more coins in your profit package. Okay? So once you've signed up at www.24kgoldrush.com, and then you come back and do your verification and log in, you want to go to the general tab, your general tab or link, and then you want to type in dashboard. You want to click on dashboard, and then you want to follow your steps 1 through 5. It's just that simple. Don't make it complex. Don't make it complex. If you're in it for the money, to generate revenue, just follow the 5 simple steps. Don't overthink it. Don't make it complex. Keep it simple. And going into 2020, you'll be more in control of your income, or you have added income to the income that you already have by simply following these 5 steps and getting your family members. You can start with your brother and your sister and your mother and your father, because these people, in most cases, believe in you enough if you're trying to do something with your life and you're showing them this product, this service, that they can save in gold, that they can acquire gold, that they can help you to succeed and become better in life. Simply sit down with them and help them get signed up and help them go through the 5 steps. Help them go through your 5 steps. Okay? And help them finish the whole process. Start with your mother, brother, and sisters. Brothers and sisters are going to be more amped to say, okay, I got you. Okay? And if you even get 2 people to simply log in, 24kgoldrush.com, log in, do the 5 steps, and get them to get some people in to save in gold. Who don't want to save in gold? I mean, it's a no-brainer. We're going into an unstable time. Gold is one of the most stablest commodities that we have. So who doesn't want to save in gold? Most people don't even know where to get gold from. You're giving them the opportunity to now acquire gold. So who doesn't want to acquire gold? So get your brothers and your sisters sign up. And show them how to show people how to follow the 5 steps. It's just that simple. All right, but I'm gonna go ahead and get up off this page here and off this video here and take some of these calls. But anyway, I'm gonna be looking for you all in the back office there, and hope to see you soon. There's gonna be more videos coming. Sorry for all of the distractions and the phone calls. I got a lot of people obviously calling to get in or whatever. But anyway, neither here nor there. Look at the link in the description below. It's www.24kgoldrush.com. And you put that in your address bar, not in your Google search, but in your address bar to make sure that you're getting to the right place. 24kgoldrush.com, or click on the link in the description and get signed up as an affiliate. And I'll see you guys in the back office. And of course, there's going to be more videos coming, explaining a lot of this stuff. But I'll see you in the back office.